Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 409 different strategies with 131 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 80% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 308 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,050 indicators, with 439 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says 2 new most accurate TradingView indicators for 2025 must have. And so of course we're going to put this to the test and see if you really must have these indicators. As far as the most accurate, I guess we'll see in the testing how accurate they can be. But what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the 2 indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the dynamic score SMA, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And then we'll go ahead and jump into the settings. And what you'll do is you'll change the SMA length to 25, you'll change the window length to 39, and the uptrend threshold to 37. And everything else stays on the default. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the detrended price oscillator. This one right here. It's just a standard TradingView built-in indicator, and we'll go ahead and jump into the settings of this as well. And what we'll do is under the length right here, we'll go ahead and change that to 23. And under the styles, I just went ahead and bumped up the line weight of the price oscillator line, and I turned it blue just so that way it stands out just a tad bit more on the background there. And so what we're looking for a short trade, so we're looking for when we get a sell tag like this right here from the dynamic score SMA. And when we get that sell tag, we're then going to look down to the detrended price oscillator, and we want the line, the price line there to be below the 0 line, this dashed line right here. If I move my cursor out of the way, you can see there's a dashed line right there. We can actually bump up the line weight of that a tad bit more, so that way it's really apparent where that's at. And so you can see the lines below that 0 line, that dashed line right there. And once that all lines up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. We'll put our stop at the SMA line right here. And then we'll target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. So that'll put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see it takes just a little bit, but then we make this really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for, so we're looking for when we get a long tag or a buy tag like this here from the SMA, the dynamic score SMA, then we're looking for the detrended price oscillator to be above that 0 line. And you can see that those line up right here. And so again, that will be the signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We'll put our stop right here, again at the SMA line, and then we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward. That's actually a tad bit more than the 1 to 1.5, but we'll go ahead and play this forward, see how it works out. And within 2 candles, we make this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we've got 19 winning trades and 31 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 38% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would be $11,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,400 for an overall loss of $1,000 altogether. So as far as the most accurate indicators for 2025, it's not looking so great for this combination. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 30 trades altogether. We had 24 winning trades and 6 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 71% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $14,400. On the losing side, you'd have lost $7,200 for an overall gain of $7,200. And now if you would use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons of our channel here, then you would increase the win rate quite significantly. Your total gain would have been closer to the $14,000, so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So just the other day, we closed out winning trade number 41. So that is 41 winning trades in a row. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now so that way you can take a look at it. Choosing the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. It's a very powerful combination, and back testing it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. And we are closing in on 3 months of 100% profitability. Like I said, 41 winning trades in a row. It's a pretty amazing achievement for any system, if I do say so. Now, we are so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader that we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord and read up on the money back guarantee on this channel right here if you are interested. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.